So you want to learn how to be a rock star for your business where people are hunting you down with credit card in hand who's ready to be either your client or your customer for your business. For helpful tips, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. Jason Hopkins here at jasonhopkinstraffic.com. So chances are you're watching this video and you're curious about, what a lead magnet is. So what a lead magnet is, it's a good way to get people, to know who you are, where you're giving something away to your, to a lead for free. You're giving something away for free. It could be anything like, a free ebook or, newsletters that contain, valuable content. Whatever your audience, is out there looking for, searching for, you want to be sure, that you provide them with, content that is going to help solve their problems. Because remember, people, they're only interested in themselves, right? So, they're not interested in you or your compensation plan. So, don't ever talk to people, that you met for the first time about your offer. Offer them something that's going to help solve their problem, that's going to, help you generate your first lead. Lead magnets are, the best and effective way to, to grab an audience, attention. You know, don't ever come off like an advertisement because, people that you talk to, they're going to treat you like one. So if you're using lead magnets, leave a comment below. Let me know, what works for you. I'd love to, hear your comment. Once you've generated your first lead, the second thing is the follow-up. Remember, the fortune is always in the follow-up. So make sure, that you're building relationships with people that are following you in your content. Most people are failing at, building online business or any kind of business because they're not learning how to engage with people in ways that's going to help solve, people's problems that you are targeting. Giving them something away for free is a, is a greater reward than the exchange of cash. So you want to make sure that, that you're giving something away that is, that's going to help, solve their problem. Most people who are unsuccessful, they don't understand, this whole concept of giving back. Remember that your lead magnet must, the content must be valuable and in a way that it's going to attract the kind of person that's going to have them curious about what it is that you do. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips so that you don't miss out on anything. And also be sure to watch the video in the description box below this video, and I will see you in the next video.